Hi Hillcrest, it's good to see you again. I hope you're enjoying a wonderful Madaraka day and that you've enjoyed a fantastic half-term break with your families, forgetting of course about having to do online learning as we have been doing for the last 5 or 6 weeks now since the school closed. As you can probably see, I'm actually here at school keeping an eye on things for you, making sure that everything is ship-shape and ready for when you do make that return to school. It's not going to be just yet, I'm sure you are all aware of that right now. We will be carrying on with our online learning for the rest of this term, but we do look forward to the time when we can come back to school together and see each other again together at school. And we'll be ready, I'll be ready to meet you all, to greet you all, to elbow bump you or foot tap you or whatever it is that we'll be doing to say hi to each other when we do return. So it just remains for me to say to you all, stay focused, stay happy, stay healthy, keep being enthusiastic about your learning and keep enjoying what it is that we're doing away from school in our homes doing our online learning. Year 8s, just a few words for you. I know that you're about to start your common entrance examinations or your year 8 examinations. Remember, these are what you have been working towards for quite some time now, so don't worry. Stay cool, stay calm, stay collected. You're ready for these exams. Do your best. That's all we can ever ask of you. So, Hillcrest, we will see you soon. I will see you soon this week, whether it's with story time or wisdom with Mr. Webber. I look forward to catching up with you again. Take care everybody and see you soon. Bye bye.